topic is discuss the different types of information communication. Firstly, the information क्या है सर? जानकारी. uh, there is no single universal definition for the term information. It may be defined as information is obtained through processing of data. मतलब जो डाटा के थ्रू हम इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं. And data acquired by informing or by being informed is information. Information is a flow of message, hence it is a part of communication process. This is that data and then information and then knowledge and then wisdom. Third, communication is the process of sharing ideas, information and messages with the other in the particular times and place. The connection between two or more people to exchanging their knowledge and ideas is communication. It is a transmission, exchange process of data, information. This is a model. And then information communication means the communication of information. It is a communication of two different terms, information and communication. Although these have different meanings but working at one place, hence these are interrelated. In information communication, the relation between information and communication are information as a phenomena, मीन्स कि एक घटना के रूप में जानकारी देना, किसी कोई घटना हो रही है उसकी जानकारी, किसी से कोई भी टॉपिक हो उससे रिलेटेड कोई जानकारी देना. एंड देन कम्युनिकेशन एज अ प्रोसेस, एक प्रक्रिया के रूप में संचार करना. देन टाइप्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन कम्युनिकेशन. Information communication may be classified in different categories by different characteristics and different concept, by sources, uh, vocal, non-vocal, verbal, non-verbal, by destination, interpersonal, intrapersonal, interpersonal, group, mass and public, by purpose, style, formal, informal. Then this is a model types of information communication. Firstly, vocal communication क्या होता है? The communication sources users vocal code is known as vocal communication. From shouting to spoken language is the range of this type of communication. The vocal organs permit the production of sound effects. Hence, these types are known as vocal communication. Example, human voice, singing, bird calls, animal noises, etc. And non-vocal communication. In a non-vocal communication, there are using of sign, signals, and symbols are for the sources of communication system. साइन में क्या हमने जैसे एग्जांपल एम्पायर साइन, ट्रैफिक पुलिस साइन एक्सेट्रा. सिग्नल्स और रेलवे, एयरलाइंस, ट्रांसपोर्ट्स, सिग्नल्स एक्सेट्रा. सिंबल्स एग्जांपल क्या है? सिंबल यूज इन मैथमेटिक्स जैसे प्लस, माइनस, सब्ट्रैक्ट जो भी. और क्लासिफिकेशन स्कीम्स में भी सिंबल्स यूज होते हैं. verbal communication. The communication through use of word is verbal communication. Examples are speech, speaking, talking, reading, writing, etc. These are categorized different types. Oral communication and documentary, मतलब written communication. Documentary written communication में क्या? प्रिंट फॉर्म में, ऑडियो विजुअल फॉर्म में, डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म में. और non-verbal communication. These types of communication refer to actions such as vocalization, facial expression, gestures, and some other human behavior. Examples: communication by touch, by tone, by facial expression, etc. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is also can be classified in different types as following: uh, kinesics, body language, hypertext, touch signals, uh, proxemics, space signals, chronemics, time signals, appearance, dress signals, iconic object signals, paralinguistic complementary means meaning. Intrapersonal communication. The communicating with one person, him, herself, is known as intrapersonal communication. The source and the destination is one person in this type of communication system. Here, the sender is relevant organ, receiver, or our brain. Also, feedback by brain of one person only. The intra communication also different types as followings, like posture, muscle tension, sleep, tranquilizer, emotions. इसके examples writing, reading, observing, etc. Interpersonal communication क्या होता है? The communication between two or more than two person is interpersonal communication. It could be face to face or using by any media, that is telephone, letters, message, email, etc. In this communication, the person have developed certain skills to connect with new person, which will be able to control the situation. Example: teaching, learning, customer relation, talking, chatting, etc. Group communication. The communication involving many peoples in a group is known as group communication. Here, the source, speaker, and the destination, listener, are shifted among the participant. Usually, this type of communication take place in a small group within 25 members. Also, it may be in a large group. Here, the communication happens between one or more than one person to a group of audience. Examples: meetings, group discussion, seminars, conference, etc. Public and mass communication. That these types of communication refer to the communicating between one person or a group of person communication to a large audience through special media, that is print broadcasting. Examples: books, periodicals, newspaper, TV, film, internet, etc. Formal communication. Formal communication conform to established professional rules, standards, and process. Such communication are generally in written and may take any of the forms: policy, manuals, procedures, and rules. Communication take place through formal channels of the organization structure along the lines of authority established by management. It is a type of communication with record. It avoid using slang terminology. Example: books, memorandum, official meetings, reports, email, conference, conference proceeding, etc. Informal communication. Informal communication is just a casual talk generally happen among friends and family. Usually it is done orally and using gestures. It does not follow any authority lines. It has no recorded about communication. It is established for societal affiliations of members in an organizations and face-to-face discussion. Example: speech, talking,
discussion, any live performance, etc.